If you want to make something glow in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to create a clean glow effect using outer glow, especially for text and shapes. This is a non-destructive method, which means you can come back and edit it later without starting over. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips. Alright, let's jump into it. First, make sure your project is open in Photopea and the layer you want to glow is selected. This can be text, a shape, or even another object. Now go over to the Layers panel in the right side of the screen. Here's the important part. Double-click the empty space next to the layer's name, not the name itself. If you double-click the name, Photopea may try to rename the layer instead of opening the style settings. Once you double-click the empty space, the Layer Style window will appear. On the left side of this window, you'll see a list of effects you can apply. Find Outer Glow and check the box next to it. Then click on the Outer Glow name itself so you can open and adjust the settings. Now let's fine-tune the glow. Start with the blend mode. For a bright glowing effect, Screen usually works really well. If you want a stronger, more intense neon look, try Linear Dodge, also known as Add. These blend modes help the glow stand out and give it that lighting effect around your object. Next, look for the color box. Click on the small colored rectangle to choose the color of your glow. This is where you can make it look like neon cyan, electric blue, bright pink, green, purple, or any color that fits your design. If you want a realistic glow, pick a color that matches the object or the mood of your image. If you want a bold neon effect, go for something vivid and saturated. After that, adjust the size slider. This controls how far the light spreads out from the object. A smaller size gives a tighter outline, while a larger size creates a softer and wider glow. If your goal is a dramatic neon effect, increase the size until the glow is clearly visible and smooth around the edges. Then move on to opacity. Opacity controls how bright or transparent the glow appears. If the glow looks too harsh, lower the opacity a little. If it looks too weak, raise it until it pops. The best settings really depend on your design, so take a moment to experiment until it looks right. When everything looks good, click OK to apply the effect. Your layer should now have a glowing outline around it. The best part is that this effect stays editable. If you ever want to change the color, size, or brightness later, just double-click Outer Glow in the Layers panel and reopen the settings. This makes Outer Glow one of the easiest ways to add glow in Photopea without damaging your original layer. It works great for logos, text effects, social media graphics, thumbnails, and simple neon designs. And if you want to make your glow look even better, you can combine it with other effects like outer shadow, drop shadow, or a soft background gradient. So that's how to glow in Photopea using Outer Glow. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for beginners who want a polished effect in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.